Okay guys, today we're out in the kitchen and we are going to tackle one of the messiest jobs in the kitchen, and that of course is mixing an unopened jar of natural peanut butter. Okay, so typically you get a spoon or a knife and you're mixing it up, and as hard as you might, you typically spill a bunch of it all over the counter and make a heck of a mess. So not only that, but typically it's hard to get it really thoroughly mixed unless you sit there for 5 minutes or more mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing. And of course, all you want is a piece of peanut butter and toast typically. But anyways, so what we're going to do is we're going to find a better way to do that today, and this is going to be what I'm going to call a guy hack. So might be a gal hack too, I guess. But for those that want to give her a go using some untraditional methods, this video is for you. So let's get after it. Okay guys, so to actually mix the peanut butter, we're going to need two things. We're going to need a cordless drill, okay? We're also going to need one of these, okay? And these typically will come with hand mixers, okay? So you probably have one of these kicking around in your drawer somewhere. So what we're going to do is we are going to use this in the drill to go and mix our peanut butter up, okay? So let's just get after it. Let's open this thing up. And as you will see, this is a brand new, well, I don't know if you can see that very well, but yeah, you see all that oil on top? This is a brand new jar of natural peanut butter. Doesn't matter which brand it is. I think all natural peanut butters kind of have this. You got all this, oil, peanut oil on top. So what we're going to do is we're going to stick this in here, okay, and stir it up, okay? Now for bonus marks, what we're going to do, or bonus points, if you're thinking ahead a little bit about this, you can just do that. But what we're going to do on this one is I've saved an old peanut butter jar lid. So I've got the original lid here, but I have punched a hole in this one. Do you see that? Okay. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take this and put it through our hole. Now the hole that I made is bigger, okay? It's bigger than the diameter of this, okay? And the reason for that is so that we can spin it around here like that inside the jar, okay? So what we're going to do is put this on here, put this into our drill, okay? All right. Tighten that up, okay, good. We're going to stick this into here, right all the way down. Screw our lid on. Now obviously it doesn't have to be tight, just get it on there so it's not coming off. And the key bit here is hold on to the jar really tight, because if you don't do that, the jar is going to spin, and you don't want that. So hold the jar really tight, okay? And then give it a little bit of a go. Okay? Just give it a little bit of a go here. I've got a dual speed drill, so now we've started it and got her going. Now we're going to do the final whip, so we'll give her lots more speed. And you notice that as I'm doing it, I'm not just holding the drill straight, I'm actually spinning it around, sort of angling it, and that's so that we get all of the edges right down to the bottom of the jar. Okay? Okay, that's it. So now what we need to do is just take our lid off. So let's just do that. Let's just undo that lid there. Nice and easy. We're going to pull this out. I'm going to bring a plate over here because inevitably there's going to be some on our, on our deal here. Okay. And then what we're going to do is just grab one of these guys. Okay, a little spatula, and just try to get the majority of that off of there, because we now have completely, thoroughly mixed our peanut butter. So that, and we've not really made a big mess. It was simple, it was easy, and yeah, totally the way to do her, man. So yeah, when in doubt, use a power tool. That's what I would say, right? That's just the way it's done. And there we have it, everybody. So take a look at that. Perfectly whipped and mixed natural peanut butter in just a matter of moments, and we didn't really make a mess. So how about that? So there's your guy hack of the day. Okay, I hope this helps somebody, and hope everybody's having a good one. If this helped you at all, or maybe it moderately entertained you, please do subscribe, please do like the video, And also this is going to be the first in a series of these kinds of guy hack videos, if you call them. I'm calling them guy hacks because, you know, I'm a guy. They could easily be gal hacks too. But yeah, hopefully everybody's having a great day. And I am now going to grab my toast and have some peanut butter. Have a good one, everyone.